A tamper alert on your house alarm signifies a potential security breach attempt. This commonly occurs when a sensor's cover is removed or tampered with. This involves a cover switch mechanism. A small magnet on the cover aligns with a switch inside the device. When misaligned due to dust, vibration, or removal, it closes the circuit and sends an alert to the system. Wired systems can trigger false tamper alerts due to wiring issues like loose connections, corrosion, or shorts. Wireless systems reduce these problems but may experience interference from Wi-Fi signals or run low on batteries. To resolve a tamper alert, first visually inspect all sensors for loose covers or obstructions. Clean them with a dry cloth to remove dust. Then, power cycle your alarm system to reset it. If using a wireless system, ensure sensor batteries are fresh. If the tamper alert persists after these steps, proceed to the next section. If basic troubleshooting fails, deeper steps are needed. For wired systems, use a multimeter to check wiring continuity for breaks or shorts. For wireless systems, check for radio interference. Try repositioning the sensor away from sources like Wi-Fi routers or microwaves. Many modern systems offer app-based self-diagnostics. Use this to pinpoint the problematic sensor and follow guided troubleshooting steps. If these steps fail, especially with older systems pre-2020, an engineer reset is necessary. This recalibrates the system via the control panel or software. Persistent issues or complex wiring faults require a professional to prevent recurring problems. DIY fixes work for simple misalignments, but complex faults need expert attention. Contact your alarm provider for qualified service.